Are you a writer or an editor who needs to collaborate seamlessly with your design team? In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the official version of Adobe InCopy completely for free on both PC and Mac. We will use the official setup process from Adobe to ensure you get the full, secure version of the software without any risks. To make things super easy, I've left the direct link to the official download page right at the top of the description below. Go ahead and click that link now so you can follow along with me. Once you click the link in the description, you will be taken to the official Adobe InCopy landing page. Look for the free trial button. Click on that to get started. Adobe will present you with a few plan options. You can choose to trial just InCopy on its own, which is a very affordable single app plan, or you might see it included in the Creative Cloud All Apps package. Select the option that best fits your workflow, then hit Continue. Next, you will need to sign in or create a quick Adobe account. You can easily use your Google, Apple, or email account. Now, a quick heads up. Adobe does require a payment method to verify that you are a real user starting the trial. But don't worry, you will not be charged at all as long as you cancel before your 7-day trial period ends. Setting a quick reminder on your phone is always a great idea. Once your account is set up and verified, the official Creative Cloud installer file will automatically download to your computer. Go ahead and open that file. This will install the Creative Cloud desktop app, the main hub for managing your Adobe software. When the Creative Cloud app opens, you can either scroll through the list of apps or use the search bar at the top to find InCopy. Once you spot it, simply click the Install button right next to it. The download might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, but once that loading bar finishes, just click Open. You now have the fully functional official version of Adobe InCopy installed and ready to streamline your editorial process. If this tutorial helped you set up the software quickly and safely, please hit that like button to support the channel. And if you missed it earlier, the secure link to the official download is still available in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.